Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your notification in your Apple ID. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to be in an iOS device, and after that you need to be in your app library. And now just go ahead and open settings, and now just go to the search bar and tap notifications over here. And now you can just choose to change any notification that you want. You can turn it on, like you can turn your announced notifications on, or you can just go ahead and allow notifications from calendar, or you can just turn them off. There are also varieties on what notifications that you want. You can choose that this notification not appear on your lock screen or notification center or any banners, your sounds, badges, anything. You can just turn them completely off too, and that's how you change your notification in your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.